Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a thredUP fun box. Now this is my first ever fun box that I've ever gotten from thredUP. I had a $10 credit, so I figured, hey, now's a good time to give it a try. And of course, I think these are $34. We will see if I can get this open. There we go. I'm excited. I'm not expecting a whole lot that I can resell, but you know what? You never know. Okay, let's see. And there is the first look. Oh, we got something. Give the gift of thrift. Oh, wow. Last minute gift emergency solved. Here's the easiest way to give substantially. Happy holidays. The gift of thrift is yours. $25. Use code S3FZCT at checkout on thredup.com. That's nice. Let's see. Rescue box, fun box, 10 items, $34. Yep. Okay. Famous paper. Ooh, I see something with leopard prints. Oh, I see a design. I don't know if that's what it is, but that looks exciting. Okay, here is the first look. And I'm going to move this to the side and take one piece out at a time. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and start with this bag because it looks very interesting. Okay, we have a pocketbook. I don't think that is what I thought it was at first, but I still like it. That's really neat. Let's see if we can find a brand. No brand. It doesn't feel that substantial, but I really like it. That's a cute little bag. And it has, not sure where that goes, but it looks brand new. And I really like that design. Okay, so far not bad. Tapes to Go, Lingerie Solutions, a brand of fashion forms. Tapes to Go. Garment and body adhesive. On the go holds even the most daring designs in place. Easy to use, double-sided transparent tape. Well, I'm keeping that. You can always use that. Okay, we have some jewelry. Looks like some beaded jewelry. Wow, this is heavy. Oh, wow. It's a necklace. It's like a burnt red, almost an orange color, and it clips like this. That's really neat. Okay, we have a bra. I know it's not my size. It seems pretty small. And it is by Paramore. Felina.com. 34D. Paramore. It's like a brown color. I've never heard of that name before. Have you guys? Let me know. Okay, we have a tank top. Oh, by Gap. It's a Gap tank top. And it has tags on it, but it looks like $16.95. But it's either been sitting for a while or, I don't know, it's kind of, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll probably just keep that. What size is it? Size large. Yeah, I'll probably just keep that. You can see that. Tank top. Okay, we have a pair of slippers. Brown fuzzy slippers. And let's see who they are by. Christine Shell. You can see the back. Size 35. And that's European size. And what size is that? A 6? 5 or 6? They look brand new. Never been worn. Have to look those up. If y'all know any of these names, let me know. I'm still learning. Oh, wow. These are nice. Pair of gloves. Leopard print. Let's see if they have a name. They're 7.5. 7.5. And let's see if we can find a name. Sarmanta gloves. It kind of looks like a genuine leather made in Italy. It kind of looks like a vintage tag, but I don't know. Those are really nice though. Let's see if they fit. A little tight, but they fit. Kind of fancy though. Those are really nice. I might sell those. Okay. Another newer tag, aerosols. Came from Marshall's. And this looks like, let's see, what is this? Connects right there, but I don't want to, because I might try to sell this or give as a gift, so I don't want to separate it. But it almost looks like either your hands or maybe your feet. What do you guys think? Maybe your feet go in there, some kind of like feet warmers or hand warmers. Oh, yeah. It's got to be feet. See on the bottom? It's got the little things that grip on the floor. That's interesting. Okay. And a pair of sunglasses. And I don't, these eyeglasses. Tune, T-U-N. You guys see that? T-U-N. Never heard of that either. It's a good way to learn some brands, isn't it? Well, these are something. I don't know. And it's got a number on the inside. I'll hold it up so you guys can see. But again, that's something I'm going to have to research. And it says Ton, T-U-N, and I've never heard of that. Again, another brand I've never heard of. But let's see. I'm assuming they're ring glasses, but we'll look that up. Okay, and the last thing we have is a scarf. I always get a scarf. Watch a lot of other resellers do these, and usually there's always a scarf and a pair of slippers. And it's a big scarf. And I'll probably give this to one of my family members that wears scarves. I don't wear scarves. I don't like to have things around my neck. Don't see a name. But I will look later. I don't want to waste y'all's time. Okay, so we have 1 scarf, 2 feet warmers, whatever you want to call those. 3 the glasses. Let me put these back in the case. 4 the gloves. I really like those. 5 slippers. 6 the tank top. 7 the bra. 8 the tapes to go. 9 the necklace. And 10, this really cute pocketbook. So that's it. Tell me what you guys think. I didn't think it was that bad of a box at all. I really like all the items I got. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And until next time, bye.